Hello boys and girls, and welcome to ALD. So we are going to do some more spelling word drawing. So you need something to draw on, something to draw with, and you can either fold up your paper into 4 rectangles, or we can draw a couple lines to separate our paper into 4 areas that we can draw in. Let's see. Yeah, that's looking pretty good. Okay, so today we have some interesting words to draw, so this should be fun. We're going to start off with lot, and lot is spelled L-O-T. Now lot, what should we do for lot? Alright, so we're going to start off with a little line like this, kind of heading diagonal, and then a line going up, just like this. Remember, if I'm ever going too fast, you can always pause it. That is the magic of videos. Now we're going to draw on both sides. Good. And now 2 circles. And we're going to draw a line. Look at that. We got a car, don't we? Maybe I'll put kind of a little curved line there, and a smaller curved line in the front and the back. And again, let's draw 2 circles, and we'll bring a line connecting them. And if you want to draw windows or whatever on any of these, feel free. Maybe back here we'll do something a little bit bigger. A line like that. You put a line here. Something like this. Line down, and maybe we'll put a line going back far like this. What is this going to be? Well, we're going to draw quite a few lines this time. Why don't we put a little rectangle behind there, and then a smaller rectangle going up there. I got a big truck. So what this is a parking lot. All these cars are parked in a parking lot. So pretty interesting, right? Now wait till you see this one. So it is getting close to Halloween, and so you might see people with a fog machine out in front of their house. The fog machine, it looks like clouds close to the ground, right? So we're going to draw what looks like a cloud. So this is fog, F-O-G. And when we draw a cloud, it's kind of got a circle type shape, a little bit oblong, maybe like an egg shape is probably better, and then bumps on it. And I'll show you. I just draw like this. I just draw little bumps, all go in the same direction, kind of like that, and then eventually meeting up where we started. So it looks like a cloud, right? But maybe we can draw something behind it so we can show that it's closer to the ground. So what I'm going to do is draw maybe our mountain from yesterday. So the tip of the mountain, and then I'm not going to draw through the fog. I'm going to wait till I get down here and where I think it would come out, somewhere close. And there we have fog covering up part of our mountain. All right, next up is a pot. P. Oops, can't see that one. Let me get a little bit higher. P O T. Pot. And so for pot, what we'll do is we'll draw a curved line, and on the sides 2 lines going down. Then we're going to draw another curved line like that. And then underneath, let's do a line from either side. And another curved line. So right now we're drawing a flower pot. So if you want to make a flower coming out, go right ahead. Get the stem, And you can color it any color that you want. I'm going to finish up the pot on the other side though. There we go. There's our pot. Now this one is Flop. F-L-O-P is Flop. And I couldn't get away from drawing our stick figure person once or twice. So what I wanted to do on this one was I'm going to give some water. So I'm going to get a blue. And here's our water going across. And I'm going to draw our stick figure. World famous, I might add. An arm coming up back behind them. There's the world famous stick person. Shoes. And what this stick figure is getting ready to do, they're jumping into a pool in what is called a belly flop. That's when you go straight in on your belly and it makes a big, kind of a big slap. It isn't the best feeling. But our stick figure person, luckily, is hovering here, frozen in midair, and will not actually belly flop. But this is the act of doing it. Okay, so I have to make my fourth one. You can turn your page over if you'd like. I'm going to make my fourth square. I don't want to erase anything accidentally. Okay. Our final one is Mop, and that is M-O-P. Mop. So I'll put a mop. It's like it kind of got a broom handle. And then there's a line here at the end. And then it looks like it's like stringy hair or spaghetti. So you can make just little lines. And that is our mop. Alright, so we have lot, L-O-T. We have fog, F-O-G. We have mop, M-O-P. We have pot, P-O-T. And we have flop, F-L-O-P. Alright, and if you want, boys and girls, you can always add our stick figure, world famous stick figure over here. Maybe I'll do that real quick. I'll put our stick figure here. Get one leg there, another leg here. World famous shoes. And then we've got the two arms doing some mopping. Alright, using the mop. Alright, boys and girls, you can add any color that you want to this. You can change the pictures as much as you like. If you have a better idea for drawing one of these words, you can do that. These are your pictures to go along with our spelling words. So you can decorate it any way you'd like. Thank you for joining me, boys and girls. I will see you next time.